Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to break down three key components of Kubernetes: Kubectl, Kubelet, and Kubeadm. These three tools form a backbone of how Kubernetes clusters are managed, deployed, and maintained. So let's dive in. First up, we have Kubectl. Think of Kubectl as the command center for Kubernetes. It's a command line tool that allows you to interact with your Kubernetes cluster. With Kubectl, you can manage application, view and inspect resources, and troubleshoot issues. Every time you issue a Kubectl command, you are essentially talking to the API server, which then instructs the cluster on what to do. For example, you can use kubectl apply to deploy new configuration or kubectl gate to see the status of your cluster resources. This tool makes managing Kubernetes straightforward and efficient. Next is Kubelet. While kubectl helps you manage the cluster, Kubelet is the agent running on every node in your cluster. It makes sure that the container defined in your pods are running as they should. Kubelet's job is to constantly communicate with Kubernetes control plane, ensuring the containers are in their desired state. If a pod fails or container crashes, Kubelet works to bring it back up. It's essential for maintaining the health of the nodes in your Kubernetes cluster. So finally, we have Kubeadm. If you are setting up a Kubernetes cluster from scratch, Kubeadm is your best friend. It simplifies the entire cluster setup process by automating the initialization of both the master and worker nodes. With just a few commands like kubeadm init for the master node and kubeadm join for the worker nodes, you can have a fully operational Kubernetes cluster. It takes care of tasks like setting up a networking, generating certificates, and configuring your cluster. If you are looking for an easy way to get Kubernetes up and running, kubeadm is the tool to use. So, to recap, Kubectl is your command line tool for managing the cluster. Kubelet ensures that containers are running as expected on each node, and Kubeadm helps you to set up and manage your Kubernetes cluster. Together, these tools makes Kubernetes powerful, flexible, and easy to manage. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Kubernetes content.